No. I can't. That's why I don't have a signing service. I cannot, because I'm telling you, I would only be able to use certain people, and I'm not even. I always tell you guys, even when I have my own clients that I cannot do, I don't just refer any notary. I just don't. Now, Andrea, I still have you in my phone and stuff. I needed a witness the other day, but I ended up using a friend of mine, another friend of mine, because I said maybe Andrea could come, and I couldn't remember where you lived at. So, yeah, but Andrea has completed jobs for me. And I don't mind if I even give you a job and you have a question about the job. I don't mind that. But just to give somebody a job and just kind of let it go, most people I don't trust like that. Because I already know what's going on out here in these notary streets. I'm going to just keep it real with you. I already know what's going on. Most people don't know what they're doing. And then, they don't know. They really don't. So that one right there, I'm a little iffy. So I don't just give my work to anybody. So let me show you all, for those of you who may be brand new though, the other program. Hold on, I'm gonna log in so you can see the full mentorship, all inclusive. So I think it's a great start. The response has been great, and I know that it's a good product. And you all know I don't put out no junk, and it wasn't something just to say, let's do something different. No, there's a true need. And again, we're just trying to be budget friendly and then make sure that you're getting what you need. So this is how that will work. So at the point that you decide, you know what, I think I need full-blown mentorship. I think I need to be in the chat. I think I'm ready to learn apostilles, loan signing agent. Then you could just upgrade to the other membership program. You got options. That's the point. Or you might be like, you know what, right now I'm good. Because some people only want to do general notary work. I have quite a few people that have zero interest in doing loan signings. Now, I'm of the mindset, if you want to do this business full time, let's be about it. Let's learn every stream, Why would you cut off any stream of income? And that's just, again, my personal opinion. Some people don't want to do everything, but I'm all about, hey, if I'm going to do it, we're going to do it right. Okay? And for me, right means being able to access, to provide my client with everything that they need. Okay? And not to mention, it just means more money for you. So, all right, let me pull up this other course right quick, and then I'm going to show you that one. All righty, here we go. I'm about to share my screen again. Hey, everybody, welcome. I'm about to share my screen and show you the full mentorship program. So if you're just joining us, go back and catch the first part where I just showed you the new mentorship, $27 per month. And you get to meet with us weekly. We all meet together. It's not like you go in this little room over here and they go in this little room over here. No, we all meet together. So the gems are dropping. Okay, share screen. Here we go. All right. And this is the other mentorship program, the Notary Business Success Mentor Program. Now, this is the all access, okay? And in this one, again, you got Notarize Like a Pro specialty. Now, this one includes the estate package, also marketing course. It also includes the remote online notary introduction. I-9 course in fingerprinting, which we talked about today, is included in the mentorship. Translation services, apostilles, wedding officiant, field inspection. I mean, literally everything you need. These are some meetings that we just had, how to counter a loan signing. So all of these are art and a skill, guys. You may say, well, I know how to do ABC. Believe me when I tell you, if you have not been properly trained, what you think you know how to do and what happens out there in the real life is different. Here we go, marketing templates. And even once you get some training, you still need some help. I'll be honest with you. I still have questions sometimes. I'm like, hey, Alexis, what about such and such? Angela, what about this? Jeffrey, what about that? So you see, you got access to the complete library though. Okay, I'm gonna come off the screen and stop sharing here. There we go. So, what questions do we have about the program? Do we have any questions or comments? Let's see here. Okay, no questions or comments right now. And I know it's right in the middle of rush hour when I did this live, but I have a 6 o'clock NNA meeting tonight. So that's why I had to go live now or either after, and that wasn't going to work for me. So sometimes you got to get it when you can get it, guys. So last thing I'll go over, and then I'll wait for a few of your questions, because I always have people join a little bit later, is I'll show you the Start Your Notary Business books in case you are just starting. There's one for each state, all 50, okay? So if you're just starting the business and you're not sure, we got Virginia, New York, literally each state, all 50 have their own book. If you're just starting the business, this is a great place to start. This plus the YouTube channels here, the video rather, because that's going to help you to get a basic understanding of what the business is all about. And oh yeah, there's even a wedding officiant video. Of course, I thought about Marcel when I saw that, because she is killing the wedding officiant game. I'm trying to get her to come on here with me. Oh, let me put the link in there too, guys. Again, if anybody wanted to come up live and just chit chat about the industry, what's going on, lowball offers, whatever you want to talk about, I'll put that in there. You just have to show your face. I'll be here for a little bit longer. And then I was going to show you my new Notary journal collection, just in case you have not seen it. We got some cards for the guys, butterfly, the black marble. This is everyone's favorite. Seems like it's the purple. Then I got this pink and white one. I ordered this one for myself in hardback. They come in paperback and hardback. And another favorite of everyone's is the cat and the dog. And y'all know how I feel about pets, but that's really one of my favorite ones too. I love that journal. So what other questions can I answer for you all this evening? Anything else? Andrea, you want to talk about anything else in your business? Any questions while you're here? Marcel, anything? And I see we have a few people joining us. What other questions do we have? And I know it's right in the middle of rush hour when I did this live, but it's all good. Because sometimes, like I just said, you got to get it when you can get it. So I've showed you all the program. And that's all I got for you today. I really wanted to share that ink fingerprinting tip with you, though. Make sure you take control of even your ink fingerprinting jobs, as I stated again earlier. Because if the card is not completed right, if the ink is not, the fingerprint is not actually rolled correctly or put on the card, it could be rejected. Now, in my client's case, he was getting fingerprinted for a job. Most of the time, it's for a job. You have your realtors, you have your CNA community. They also need to be fingerprinted. No questions. I love to support when you come on. Oh, I appreciate it, Andrea. And you know I got you, girl. Whatever you need, I got you. Thank you. I do appreciate it. I see we got a couple more people. Any other questions? Anybody? Inspire change. So if it's okay, I don't want to do the loan signings. Yeah, you don't have to. That's exactly what I was just saying. You do not have to do loan signings. Now, may I ask though, why you don't want to do them, if I may? Why? What is it that's causing you reservations about it? Or I'm just curious. What is it? What is it? And I know it's kind of spur of the moment, but you don't want to come on stage and talk to you. I'll put the link in here while I'm here if anybody want to join me. What is it about loan signings that give you pause? Inspire change. I like your name too. What is it about loan signings? Andrea says, I just purchased my fingerprint kit. No job with fingerprints yet. I know what happens soon. I'm getting more calls from Notary Rotary. Oh, cool. Very good. Now, are you paying for Notary Rotary, Andrea? Are you paying for that? Let me know. Ian Grip says, about how much is the electric fingerprint portable? Yeah, so I don't do live scan. That's what the actual title of it is called, live scan. I had a call for it today. And what was so funny, today was my ink fingerprinting day. That's why I always got something to talk about, guys. Today was my ink fingerprinting day. So I had another call about ink fingerprinting. And I told the client, I said, well, hey, I don't do it. I explained to her the process, what that is, live scan and what it's called or whatever. And I said, if I were you, I would just put like live scan near me. No, digital fingerprinting. That's what I put, something like that near me. And she said, you came up. I said, oh, okay. I was excited by that, right? But I don't do it. So I told her to, I was going to try to help her find somebody. She said, no, I can keep looking myself, which I appreciated because it wasn't like I didn't have something else to do. But I did want to offer. That was just great customer service.